In front of me is BIGME HiBreak Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by selecting Gallery app and tapping on one of your albums from which you want to delete your photos. Now to continue, tap on this icon with a check mark at the top right corner and then click on it again. Now to keep some of those photos, tap on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use Bin button at the top. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!